How to enable or disable multi-window swipe for pop-up view on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on advanced features. Now in here, we then go down and tap on multi-window. After that, tap on swipe for pop-up view. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. And that's it. Once it is turned on, you can tap on the left-hand side panel. Here it said that swipe from the top corner toward the middle of the screen to change to pop-up view. So here I can do that. And this will allow me to quickly create a pop-up view. And I can just tap on it, touch and hold onto that top bar here, allow me to move the app around the screen. Now I can touch and hold on that, and I can drag up to the top to create a split screen. And here I can also, if I tap on the bar here, I can also have other options such as minimize the app into a floating icon, or I can expand it out into a full screen app. I can also tap on it to change it to a split screen, or I can tap on that to close it. So here I can tap on that to close the view, or I can expand it, and that's it. So I can just drag down at the corner to create a pop-up window, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.